So we are at Euro New Zealand, and Monday we are seeing bullish movement on the monthly chart. Let's go down to the weekly. Bullish movement. Daily, seeing a little pullback. Still nothing too exciting. Alright, H4. Let us have a closer look at the H1. Yeah, we are seeing correct trend line. Yes. See, so here's as a highest point currently. So this trend line will be totally valid. So we are seeing a nice little triangle. So for me, I will actually be quite comfortable selling the break of this zone right here. This zone. So if I get a break of this, it's a strong, not just any ordinary break, but if I get a strong break above, yeah, the market has just opened. So if I get a strong break above this point, I will definitely buy, or a strong break of this low right here, I will definitely sell. All right, guys, and that's it for Euro New Zealand. So if we get a strong break of zone to either side. So that's it for Euro New Zealand. Up next, we have EURUSD. Yeah, EURUSD. So this setup was from last week, guys. So let us recap. Monthly, market is bearish. Bearish weekly. Bearish daily. So we can see the daily. Yes. Trend line valid. H4. Trend line valid. Another one valid. So here, we were actually looking for a break last week. So extend break of this zone. So we're actually looking for a strong break above here or a strong break below here, because this was formed last week, but we didn't get the strong break. However, it did came out the zone a little. So I'm still actually looking for a break, but this time I'm looking for a strong break below this low. So same as last week, I'm looking for a strong break above this point or a strong break below this point. And this is for USD, strong break to either side. Yep, and that's it for USD. Up next is GBPJPY. So I'm not interested in GBP CAD. GBPJPY, yeah. Next is GBPJPY. So from the monthly, nothing too serious. Price would appear as if it's at a support right here. So let us take a closer look. Weekly, see market in a downtrend. Daily price broke through the bearish trend line. H4. Yeah, this trend line would be totally valid, but we have no use for it now since it has already broken it. So this is the only significant trend line now. We find it on the H1. Right. So I'm definitely interested in this one. So I will be looking for a break of this zone. So a strong break of this point right here, or a strong break below here for GBP, JPY. So strong break. Strong break off. Strong break off. So strong break of zone to either side. Yeah. So that's it for GBPJPY. Up next is GBP New Zealand. Right, so we start from the Monday again. Monday, market is trending down. Weekly, we're seeing a trend. Let me point this out, guys. So this trend line right here, the two valid points is this one, point one, point two, and we can see price respected. So because this trend line was drawn way before this, way before all of this, and we can see it came back here and respected it, and came here and respected it. All right, guys. So and I know most of you guys will do this, right? But that will be totally incorrect because price would have to make a higher high before this point. For that point can be considered, right? So yeah, so this is the correct one. These 2 points, yeah, and you can see that the price totally respected. So moving a little bit closer to the price action. This is the daily, so you see bullish movement a little bit closer. Yeah, so we can see nice clean trend line. Let's just see now. So again, I'm not too interested in selling this break because price has moved way. Whoa, price has moved so far away from the trend line and created this big gap. So I'm not even sure no at this point if price would actually obey this trend line right here. So I'm not looking for a break of this trend line. So this is the H1. The way the market is trending down. So again, just as GBPJPY, would be fine taking a strong break. That would take strong break of this high right here or a strong break of this. So I would buy a strong break, any strong break out of this zone or strong break below here. So strong break of either side. So up next is New Zealand USD. So let's see. We start from the Monday. So yeah, Monday seems normal. On the weekly now we are seeing bearish movement. weekly, bit well daily. I'm getting a little bit closer to the price action. All right, so daily not too bad. H1. So for this one, all right. So occasionally, well, this is a triangle, right? So, and I want to be clear. Right? So these are the 2 points for the triangle. For this trend line, this trend line is valid, right? But this one isn't. But we're actually, because the price is converging, so this one is totally fine to show the the triangle. As I said before, normally when I'm drawing my trend line, I always ensure that at least one, when I'm drawing the triangles, I always ensure that at least one of the trend line is correct. All right, so this one, these are the 2 points, point one, point two. So price started here, made a high, and made a low, then up. So these 2 points, and as we can see, price came right here and obeyed the trend line. So and then from this upward movement, you can see that the price is converging, so it getting closer and closer and tighter and tighter. So this triangle, I am very excited about. So let's see. So I'm actually looking for a break of this triangle this week. Yeah, so this is New Zealand USD. So I would buy a strong break of this high or sell a strong break of this low right there. So for this one, we just need a strong break of triangle. Uh-huh. So that's it for New Zealand USD. Up next, USD Swiss. So I mean, again, we start from the monthly price. Well, price to me is considered consolidating on the monthly. The weekly, we see a little bullish movement and then some bearish. Daily, yep. So price broke the bullish trend line and then formed a downward trend, right? So downward, and then broke the bearish trend, and we see now another bullish trend has been formed. Let's take a closer look. So again, guys, this trend line was drawn using these 2 points. This point, this one, and not this one. Price, because as you can see, guys, as when using my method of drawing trend lines, you realize that price will come and obey the trend line. So I don't want you to be confused and thinking that I use this point to draw the trend line. No, this trend line was drawn way from this point. From this point. Okay, so we're still market to me seems bullish now, and I know many of you guys would actually be saying this is a head and shoulder right here, so you're going to, but I don't really trade head and shoulder per se, but if it I mean, I made note of it, but I don't really take trades based on head and shoulders. All right, so H4, let us see. So for me, this week, because this was from last week's setup, we're actually looking for a break of this low right here. Strong break that is. And we didn't get a strong break, so because this candle is not a strong break. So for those who had the opportunity to go to through my book, they would actually learn all about what a strong break is, right? So for this week, I'm still looking for a break of this low that I select strong break of zone to either side. Alright. So strong break of this high or a strong break of this low. That's it for USD Swiss. Up next is USDJPY. We begin from the monthly. Nothing too fancy. Market trending downward. Yes. Valid trend line weekly. Valid daily. Valid. So price. And this setup will actually be on the daily, but on the daily because I will take a break of this zone right here. So let us go closer to see what's happening. And yes, I'm already in this trade from last week with my stop loss at break even. I remember it from I remember it. Wow, what is this? Yeah, so I think I have a buy somewhere. Where is it? Somewhere about this eye, and I think my stop loss was there. All right, so but I'm still interested in a break off. So you guys will notice I'm not, I won't be trading this trend line. I won't be trading a break because this trend line is already there. This is the main trend line I'm actually watching now, right? So I'm actually, if price, based on my analysis, if price breaks above this high, breaks strong above this high right here, it would confirm to me that the bullish trend is actually continuing. All right, and if it breaks below here, I would be expecting bearish momentum. So now I'm actually looking. Let me remove this trend line. Although I'm in this already, I'm in a buy with my stop loss at break even. I think. Let us mid rate. No, it would be. I think it's right here. Anyway, yeah, but I'm still, if it breaks above this point, I'm going to add another entry on it, or if it breaks below this point, I'm going to sell it. So for USDJPY, I'm looking for a strong week of zone to either side. Yeah. And then up next, the final one, we have BTCUSD. And we begin from the Monday. Right is so we're seeing bullish movement, strong bearish movement right there. It's in the last 3 monthly candlesticks on the weekly, bearish, daily bearish, and then each 4. So look, nothing too exciting here. H1. Yes. So we can see prices basically converging. Just even add this one to see. Yes, to me, so price is basically converging. So I low, and I rarely go down on the 30 minutes. So here goes. All right, so this trend line would be valid, and I'm okay drawing this one to form a triangle. But for me, overall, I'm bearish on this. Although I would, for persons that scalp, if price breaks above this point, you should see movement to at least right here before it goes down. But for me, I'm actually looking for, I'm only interested in bearish movement. So for me, I would sell anywhere below this point. If I get a strong break below this point, I would sell. And for guys who are interested in scalping, you could take, if price breaks above here, could easily take a few pips or whatever Bitcoin is measured in to right here. At least right here, but I'm not interested in bullish movement now, since the market has been moving bearish for the past 3 months. Break. Oh. So that's it, guys, for watch this week. See you later.